Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swati Bisht. So I'm an anesthesiologist basically, and I can tell you being one is a very challenging job I face every day. I was looking for something more to expand my horizon or get more opportunities in the healthcare domain, and we were looking for the best and the top university in India, and definitely BITS ranks amongst the top, and then that is how I enrolled in the course of MBA Hospital and Health System Management, BITS Pilani. I would appreciate the design of the program, which enabled us, the students, to take part in the live lectures happening during the weekends. And in these classes, we could ask the real time, the doubts we had, whatever doubts we had, everything was cleared by the professors. And suppose we could not attend these live lectures because of our tight schedule, weekends also we would have hospital duties. The program enabled us to go through the recorded lectures later when we had time. I would like to say that this program is ideal for doctors who would want to step up and go into the field of administration and bringing about good management changes in the hospital and providing a good healthcare provision for the masses. Definitely the advantage of this program was that it helped us, it enabled us to continue studies, get into further learning without taking a career break.